What is email address with its example? Hello everyone, I'm here to explain you what is email address and its example. So every email address has two parts, that is local part and domain part. So that are separated by the address sign. For example, in the email, you can go for your email ID rohitzubi@gmail.com. So first part is the username and the part after address sign is domain. So the local part goes first and represent the username of the owner of the email. So to be more specific, it's a recipient of email. So the recipient can be a single person. So for example, Bill Gates @microsoft.com, or it can be group of people. Like if you send an email to a person, it will deliver to that specific person. However, if you send an email to a list of people, it will send emails to all participants of that list. So the local part can have a dot or dash option. This symbol may help you to make email address more readable. So that's the simple explanation of email address with its example. I hope this video will be helpful for you. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.